上特别。这三个。不行，你看，这已经开了。Hello everyone, welcome to live broadcast. This is Ida from ZHENXIN Metallurgical Materials Company, and I'm so happy to see you all again today. Yes, and the weather here in China is getting cold because autumn is coming. I wonder what it's like in your country right now. Please drop a comment and tell me where you are watching from. Uh, Today's topic is something exciting and essential for the steel industry. Yes, it's about high carbon ferromanganese and ferrovanadium. Yes, these two alloys might not be well known to everyone, but they play key roles in making steel stronger, more wear-resistant, and better performing extreme conditions. Okay. 这么多渣子。我天，这怎么这么杂呢？Okay, let's continue. Our today's topic is about two alloys, about high carbon ferromanganese and ferrovanadium. Yes, these two alloys may not be well known to everyone, but they play key roles in making steel stronger, more wear resistant, and better performing in uh, in extreme conditions. So, before we start, let me briefly introduce who we are. Our company, ZHENXIN Metallurgical, is a professional ferroalloy manufacturer and exporter based in uh, Anyan City, Henan Province in China. Yes, we have been supplying ferromanganese, ferrochrome, ferrosilicon, calcium metal, cold wire, and other alloy materials to cut to customers in Europe, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. 嗯，在
你这儿分享链接呢？
这里这不是原地
或者这个链接，
复制视频链接，
然后微信，
这个
这个
这个就行，打不开是吗？
这个打开空白。
啊，错了错了错了，我这里弄错了，我那里奇了怪了，我刚才这3次的弄得我都混乱了。Okay, now let's continue to introduce ourselves. We have been supplying ferroalloys such as ferromanganese, ferrochrome, ferrosilicon, calcium metal, cold wire, and other alloy materials to customers in Europe, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. All our materials go through strict quality inspection, including chemical composition, size screening, and screening and packaging checks to ensure every shipment meets your foundry or steelmaking requirements. If it's your first time joining us, make sure to follow our page for more live seasons like this. 不行，就把它关了。Okay, now let's start with the high carbon ferromanganese, or we also can call it ferromanganese high carbon. So first, uh, let me know what is ferromanganese. What is ferromanganese? Just like its name, it's an alloy of manganese and iron, usually containing 70 to 75% manganese and uh, 6 to 8% carbon. It's an essential ferroalloy component mineral. It's an essential ferroalloy, and besides the high carbon ferromanganese, we can guess they also have medium carbon ferromanganese and low carbon ferromanganese. Yes, just the high carbon, medium carbon, and low carbon, and just its name also uh, it's also according to its carbon content. Just from its name, the high carbon ferromanganese, just like what I said, its carbon content about 6 to 8%, and medium carbon ferromanganese, its uh, carbon content um, about 1.5 to 4%, and the low carbon ferromanganese, its carbon content is about uh, lower than one 1%. Yes, than lower than 1%. And for it's about uh, the high carbon ferromanganese or ferromanganese, some specification or some difference, a little difference. And then let's know the ferromanganese application. Yes, how the ferromanganese application. The first is about is as the dioxidizer in steel making. Yes, the ferromanganese is widely used as a dioxidizer and destabilizer in steel making. It effectively removes oxygen and sulfur, improving steel quality, purity, and mechanical strength. Then it can also be used as alloying agent. The manganese enhances steel's hardness, yes, wear resistance, and toughness. Depending on the grade, the ferromanganese is essential in producing construction steel, railway steel, and structural steel, ensuring durability and performance. Yes, and about the third application is to produce stainless and special steels. In stainless and special steels, performance plays a crucial role in achieving the required balance of strength, ductility, and corrosion resistance, making it indispensable in industries like automotive, shipbuilding, and heavy machinery. And about the fourth, this is the fourth uh, application. It's updating ferromanganese to cast iron significantly improve its hardness, wear resistance, and impact strength. It's widely used in the production of grinding balls, pressure parts, and wear resistant casting. Yes, that's about the application of ferromanganese and high carbon ferromanganese. So, uh, why choose this? If the reasons why choose ours ferromanganese. That's why choose ZHENXIN ferromanganese. The first is the first reason is the strict quality control. Yes, the strict quality control. Fully ISO certified production process. Each batch comes with a certificate of analysis, including chemical compositions and size testing guaranteed uh, size testing, guaranteed consistency for steelmaking and foundry industries. Yes, the third reason is a stable supply and a reliable delivery. Um, because the large scale smelting capacity and parts and partner basis, on time delivery even during peak seasons, and exported to multiple Asian markets, including Mongolia, South Korea, and Southeast Asia. Yes, and the for the third reason is customized service. Yes, we support customized service. Partial, parti- partial size and packaging tailored to customer requirements, flexible order size from small trail batches to bulk shipments. Yes, and we support for FOB, CIF, and other trade terms. Welcome to leave your comment or contact us directly to get the support. Yes, welcome. And uh, the yes, the fourth reason, also the last reason, is about rich export experience. Yes, we have supply experience more than 15 years. Yes, we supply ferroalloys to steel industry and foundry. We can provide professional documentation support, ensuring smooth and customers clearance, and strong logistic partnerships, and reducing delivery time and cost. Yes. That's these are reasons why our customers choose our pharmacies. Why choose to cooperate with us. I hope this can be useful to you. Hi, Fiona. Hi, Luna. Hello. Thanks for your comment. Hello, Peter. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you here. And now, uh, 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 okay, and eh, and I want to that if you're I want to know if there some people produce rubber or high strength railroad. I want to say if your company produces rubber or high strength railroad, the ferromanganese is definitely a must have materials. So uh, anyone here working in steel rolling or casting? If yes, please type yes in the comments. We will uh, appreciate your comment and support. Yes, okay. That's for money. Then Um, we just then we will let's move to another powerful alloy, the ferrovanadium. Yes, ferrovanadium. Just like the ferromanganese, it mainly strains steel. Now let's turn to the ferrovanadium and talk about what's the usage of ferrovanadium. Um, Maybe someone uh, uh, don't don't maybe that it's the first time for someone uh to hear the Pharaoh vanadium because it may not be used in very large quantities and it's just 不是那么的大众。Its effect on steel properties is remarkable even in small doses. Its composition usually uh, usually contains 50 to 80 vanadium, and the balance is iron. Yes, the ferrovanadium is one of the most critical alloys in modern steelmaking because it providing strength, toughness, and wear resistance to a wide range of steel products. As demand of high performance materials continue to rise, our company ensures global customers receive consistent high-quality ferro-vanadium with reliable delivery and tailored solution. So just like what I said, the ferro-vanadium is an alloy made from vanadium and iron, just like just typically containing uh, typically containing uh, 50 to 80% vanadium. It's primarily used as an additive in steel production to enhance tensile strength, hardness, and corrosion resistance. Yes, and for its key for the key properties of ferrovanadium. The first is improve steel's resistance to heat and wear. The second is enhances toughness while maintaining weldability. Yes, and uh, the third is reduces weight without compromising mechanical strength. It's for its application. There are uh, about three applications. The first is high strength low alloy steels. Yes, the high strength low alloy steels because ferrovanadium is widely used in high-strength low-alloy steels for pipelines, automotive parts, and construction materials, where both strength and lightweight are critical. Yes, and the second is the tower and die steels by improving hardness and wear resistance. Vanadium ensures longer service life for cutting tools, dies, and drilling equipment. And drilling equipment. Then in the its application in the aerospace and energy industries. Yes, vanadium alloyed steels are crucial for jet engines, turbines, and pressure vessels, where resistance to extreme conditions is required. So, uh, and I want to share some about the market trends of this production. If you have different suggestions or thoughts, please leave your comment in of please leave your comment in the comment area, or we will appreciate your comment and your different suggestions. Let's talk about it. Yes, and the global Vanadium market has remained active in the long term, with demand strongly supported by industries including constructions, automotive, and energy. Over the past year, Asia has shown particularly strong growth in ferrovanadium consumption. Uh, from our, uh, for example, our country, our China has the world's largest ferro vanadium consumer. China's booming steel and new energy industries have significantly driven demand. Then about India accelerated industrialization and urbanization, along with infrastructure expansion and a growing automotive sector, continue to boost ferrovanadium consumptions. Then about Mongolia is also our old customer uh, in in Mongolia, uh, leveraging its abundant vanadium ore resources. Mongolia has increased mining activity. At the same time, the development of domestic downstream industries has contributed to a steady rise in local ferrovanadium demand. These trends, these trends highlight Asia's central role in shaping the global ferrovanadium market, while Europe and North America continue to maintain stable demand for advanced steel application. Yes. Uh, hello, 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 Tina. Good afternoon. Yes, thank you. I'm fine today. What's the current market price of your Ferro vanadium? The current market price, what's your specification about your need? because the Vanadium have a different specification and also have a different price. We need to get the more detailed information, then we can send the accurate price. So please, who want to know the vanadium more price, please leave your specification, the size, and the quantity requirement. Yes, those detailed production information, and then we will send the accurate quotation to you. Always we will send the quotation sheet. Yes, it concludes the price, the specification, the production picture, and the payment terms, delivery times. Those important information for your reference. So if you want to get the ferro-vanadium price or other ferroalloys price, welcome to uh, leave your comment in our comment area, or you can also contact us directly or send us email or yes this to contact us, and let's talk about the following. Hello, Sunny. Okay. Um. Okay. Then now let's continue to uh introduce this Ferro. Just now we have showed the Vanadium, the specification, the application, and uh, some market trends about this production. And now I want to share the storage and transportation tips. Yes, to maintain the quality of ferrovanadium during logistic companies should pay attention to proper handling and storage. For the ferrovanadium, first is dry environment. Yes, keep ferrovanadium stored in moisture-free conditions to avoid oxidation or contamination. Yes, and the second is proper packaging. Use durable sealed bags or containers to prevent dust and reduce handling losses. And the third is safe transport. Yes, during shipping, ensure stable stacking to avoid material breakage and comply with international transport standards. And fourth, fourth is inventory management. Yes, apply a first in and first out approach to ensure product freshness and consistency. Yes, following these methods helps guarantee that ferrovanadium arrives in the best possible condition for customers worldwide. Yes, so please let me show you why our customers, our older customers, choose us, choose ZHENXIN Metallurgical Materials Company to get the ferrovanadium. The first is also The first reason is also the quality assurance. Yes, our just like our other ferroalloys, our uh, ferro vanadium production follows the strict ISO certificate standards with COA available for every batch. Yes, our every um, our ferroalloys all follows a strict ISO certificate standards with the COA available for every batch. And the second is the flexible supply options. It's from small traders to bulk contracts. It's we provide tailored solutions to meet different customer needs. And the third is proven export experience, just what I said, with over 15 years of international trade expertise. Our company ZHENXIN has successfully supplied ferro vanadium to steel makers in Central Asia, South Asia, and Europe. Yes, that's about our our ferro ferro vanadium. So, if you are in the steel refining or special steel business, you will notice how vanadium changes the steel's grain structure, giving the steel that fine, clean finish. Yes. So, have you ever used the ferro vanadium in your plant? Please let us know in the chat. We will appreciate your comment and suggestion and inquiry. Uh, welcome. Okay, then I want to now then uh, let's talk briefly again about logistic and shipment. Yes, this is also the something every overseas buyer cares about. Yes, our company ZHENXIN has a rich experience in exporting ferroalloys to Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. Even during peak seasons, we make sure every order is delivered on time and in good condition. So as the weather cools, oxidation risk become lower than in summer, but we still keep a moisture-proof packaging and clear labeling for every batch. So whether you are importing uh, through ports like Namswa or Jebel Ali or Rotterdam, the ports, you can rest assured that your ferromanganese, ferrovanadium, and other ferroalloys arrive safely. Okay, that's the production information I want to share with you. If you have other questions or other suggestions, welcome to leave your comment. Let's talk about it. Then just have a short break. Uh, Let, let me share our factory video. Okay. Um, Thank you for watching our new videos. That's about our factory and our office environment. Yes, and now mm, okay, now let's turn to the third production. That's also our popular the populist production. It's low carbon farm. It's low carbon farm. Yes, our low carbon farm. So it's also first question. What is about low carbon farm? Low carbon farm is a critical ferroalloy used to introduce chrome into steels and alloys where low carbon content is required. It typically contains is chrome chrome content higher than 60%, and the carbon content lower than 0.1%. Silicon content uh, is lower than 1.5%, and comes in standard 10 to 50 size because because of its because of because of its excellent purity and controlled composition. Low carbon ferrochrome is indispensable in producing stainless steel, precision alloys, and special steels that demand high corrosion resistance, toughness, and strength. In particular, high purity low carbon ferrochrome with extremely low gas content has become a cost-effective uh, alternative to metal chrome. It delivers comparable metallurgical performance but at a significantly lower price, making it an ideal solution for manufacturers looking to optimize both quality and production costs. Yes, and our company, the Ion ZHENXIN Metallurgical Materials Company, has refined its long-standing vacuum solid-state decarburization method. Yes, a process where high-carbon ferrochrome is crushed into fine powder, mixed with oxidizing agents, molded, dried, and vacuum refined to reduce carbon levels. Through continuous innovation, Zhenxin developed an improved vacuum production process that not only ensures ultra low carbon but also reduce nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen content in the alloy. These technological upgrades result in denser structure, smoother surface finish, and better stability in melting. It gives the alloy superior cleanliness and allows it to serve as a high quality substitute for metal chrome, widely used in stainless steel and precision alloy production. For its advantages, the first is partial replacement for metal chrome. Yes, thanks to its low gas content and dense metallurgical structure. This is the low carbon ferrochrome can replace metal chrome in many applications, especially in stainless steel refining and precision alloy melting will significantly lowering raw materials costs. The fourth advantage is economic and technical balance. Although the cost of this advanced low-carbon ferrochrome is higher than yes, it's higher than conventional low-carbon ferrochrome. It remains more affordable the metallurgical chrome, giving producers a balanced solution between performance and and economy. The third advantage is the quality assurance. Yes, every shipment undergoes comprehensive testing, including chemical composition analysis, carbon and gas determination, and size inspection, ensuring stable performance in stainless steel and special alloy productions. So the last part is also about the storage and transportation guidelines for the low carbon ferrochrome. Please note to preserve its chemical stability and prevent oxidation. Our company recommends first store low carbon ferrochrome in a clean, dry, and ventilated warehouse away from corrosive materials. And the second is to use sealed, yes, moisture and resistant packaging for long distance or say transport. The third is to keep the pallets over the ground to avoid moisture absorption. And the last is to follow first in and first out FIFO inventory management for long-term storage. Yes, that so customized export packaging solutions are available to ensure product integrity from factory to port. So if you have other storage and other packaging requirements when you uh, want to get the production price, welcome to review your requirement details. Let me know. Let me know. Yes. And the global fulcrum market remains active, supported by stainless steel, automotive, and energy industries. In Asia, China leads the consumption due to rapid growth in stainless steel and high-performance alloys. India shows the rising demand driven by infrastructure and automotive expansion, while Mongolia, leveraging its vanadium chrome mineral resource, is gradually developing domestic ferroalloy consumption. So, ZHENXIN has established a long-term cooperation with customers across Asia, Europe, the Middle East, offering stable supply, customized solution, and efficient logistics. So if your production requires low carbon ferrochrome capable for replacing metal chrome, we offer both the technical expertise and the reliable resourcing with ISO certified production, strict quality control, and years of export experience. We are committed to delivering alloys that enhance your competitive in the global market. So if you are interested in this ferroalloys, just like today I said the ferromanganese, the ferrovanadium, or low carbon ferrochrome. If you want to get its price, its market trend, if you have other questions, welcome to leave your comment or contact us directly via the email, via the WhatsApp, or type your inquiry in our website. Then we will, once we notice that, we will contact you as soon as possible. Then we can talk about what you want to the following. Okay. Mm, okay, now let's mm, let's watch our new videos again. Let's try. 看一下。Okay. All right. Okay. Let's our live broadcast is ending. So if you other inquiries or other questions, please let me know, and I will reply it as soon as possible. Possible. Today we have explored three essential alloys. Yes, the high carbon for manganese and Ferro Vanadium. Um, all of them will play a critical role in strengthening steel and ensuring high performance. If you have purchased it from China or other countries, if you work with them, if you say yes, welcome to leave your comment or leave your inquiry in our comment area. We will appreciate your inquiry and will be very glad to provide the support about this alloys. The first is just let me know what you want, and we will provide pro- or support as soon as possible. Okay, so in the end, thank you all for staying with us. Yes, staying with us. Don't forget to follow our company for upcoming live events. Next time we will talk about more alloys, insights, and real cases from our country. So see you soon and have a great day whether you are. Bye bye.